In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to move your documents, downloads, and desktop folders to different drives that are attached or installed on your Windows 11 computer. This tutorial will apply for Windows 10 and earlier versions of Windows as well. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up File Explorer. If you have the taskbar shortcut, you're just going to open it up from there, or you can search for it through the search menu. And now that we're into File Explorer, on the left side here, if you want to move, for example, the desktop folder to a different drive, you can just right-click on it and select Properties, select the Location tab, and now you can select where it says Move, and then you can move this to a different drive entirely or a different folder perhaps on your computer. So you just would navigate over to it. So let's go underneath this PC, and I have a new volume on here. I could double-click on that, and I can move the desktop into there. It would just keep in mind if there's any programs that have dependencies that might be on the desktop in this current location, it could break the connections. Just be mindful of that. And again, you could do that with the other folders in here as well. Again, just go underneath properties and then location, and then you can move it. So pretty straightforward process here, guys. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.